What if you could reset your day in just 30 seconds? No long journaling, no big mindset work, just 3 small steps that reconnect your spirit and steady your heart. I created this rhythm, notice, name, nourish, in a season when my life felt too full to pause. Deadlines, family needs, unexpected grief. The noise was constant, and yet this practice gave me a quiet way back to peace. It became my anchor, not because it was long or deep, but because it was honest. You don't need more hours in your day to feel centered. You just need to know how to pause on purpose and meet God in the ordinary. This rhythm is something anyone can do anywhere, even you. Especially you. In this video, you'll learn how to use the notice, name, nourish method, 3 gentle steps that help you find steadiness even in the busiest, messiest moments. The first step is simple. Notice. Not the biggest blessing, not the loudest moment, just one small mercy in your day. Maybe it's the sunlight on your face. Maybe it's a deep breath. Maybe it's making it through a hard conversation. Your brain is wired to focus on what's wrong. That's how it protects you. But you can retrain it, not by ignoring pain, but by interrupting the pattern with awareness. Noticing one good thing shifts your entire emotional state in seconds. Pause right now. What's one small thing that made you feel steady or even just a little less overwhelmed today? The second step is name. This is where the noticing turns personal. Ask yourself, why did that moment matter to me? Why did I pause there? Why did that small thing feel good or sacred? Naming your gratitude gives it roots. It helps your heart remember. This isn't about explaining or being profound. It's just about linking emotion to awareness. That's what creates meaning, and meaning helps us heal. For example, noticed my child smiled at breakfast. Named. It reminded me that even in a hard season, joy still visits us. Finally, you nourish. Let that small moment feed your spirit. Turn it into a quick prayer, a whispered thanks, or one honest sentence in your journal. That's it. You don't have to stretch the moment. You don't have to perform. Just let it anchor you right where you are. Over time, this becomes your emotional reset, your sacred habit, your quiet return to peace. Set a weekly reminder on your phone that simply says, notice, name, nourish. Let it be your gentle cue to come back to yourself and to God. If you started reading Gratitude Rhythms, the free Gentle Gratitude Starter Pack is waiting for you in the first few pages. Inside, you'll find prompts, reflection tools, and a printable Notice, Name, Nourish sheet to keep this rhythm close. Want to build this rhythm in community? You're invited to the 7-day Balanced Success Challenge inside my free school space. You may use the link in the description below. No pressure. Just grace-filled support as you build your own steady rhythm. If this video helped you slow down and breathe, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who needs a soft place to land. And if you're just joining this journey, check out the full Gratitude Rhythms playlist. These gentle practices are here to walk with you, one small sacred step at a time. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're already being rebuilt. And every time you return to gratitude, you're returning to peace.